Introducing one of the toughest vehicles out there, the Toyota 4Runner. Although the 4Runner is built durable enough for the back roads, its highway behavior exceeds any and all expectations. This vehicle is a perfect happy medium of comfort and style, and it looks even better with some mud on the tires. The four-wheel drive 4Runners can really go anywhere, and there are very few off-road vehicles that look half as good as this one. Come on down to Hoover Toyota to see it in person, or visit our website for more inventory information at hoovertoyota.com.